Hey guys, my name is Jason, and in today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to create a dreamy film look effect in After Effects. Once I already have my clip imported, I'm going to right click on my mouse, head to new and make a new adjustment layer. Make sure it's on top of your clip so we can actually show the effect we're going to be using. First effect I'm going to add onto our adjustment layer is going to be S_ultra glow. We're going to put our brightness about to 1.99. We're going to leave it right there, and we're going to go to our threshold and put it at 0.07, and it's going to give a very bright look. And this is kind of too bright for my liking, so I'm actually going to increase our brightness to a good amount, about right there. And we're going to head over to threshold, add color, and we're just going to go right here, go about to gray. And now seeing this, you can actually either leave it at this settings for your threshold or just bring it back down to 0.07. Once after that, we're going to close out S_ultra glow since we're not going to be adding anything else. The next effect we're going to actually add is film. This effect comes from Maxon's Red Giant Magic Bullet plugin. I'll link it in the description if any of you guys are interested in buying it. So I'm going to go over here. I'm going to drag in our effect. And we're just going to leave all of our stock settings right here. Yo guys, future Jason here. I realized while editing this video I made a huge mistake, so I'm going to fix it right now. You actually want to head over to your film effect right here, and then you want to change our settings from negative stock. We're going to go all the way down. We're going to add Kodak 5218 Vision 2 500T, and then your effect should look like the way I intended to actually make. With that all out of the way, let's turn back to the video. Then for our next effect I'm going to add is glow. I'm going to put a threshold at 52.2. Then I'm going to put a threshold up to 82. So right there. Once after that, I'm going to close out glow. And for the next effect we're going to add is add grain. I'm going to go over here and just drag it in. I'm going to always add the effect add grain. Make sure to go to viewing mode and take off preview and change it to final output. It's very important to actually get rid of this white box right here. And only in this white box is going to show the actual grain effect. So you actually need to put on final output to have the actual full grain onto your video. So I'm gonna go right here to our intensity and just put it at 1.8. Then I'm gonna close it out right there. Then for our next effect I'm gonna add is posterize time. Drag it in right there, and I'm gonna put it at 18 for our posterize time. After adding posterize time, those are all the effects you'll need in order to create a dreamy film look effect in After Effects. Before you guys hop off this video, I would appreciate if you were to subscribe, like, or leave a comment. I'm uploading around 3 to 4 times a week. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.